Use quiz mode. Quiz mode is a feature that allows you to quiz students on individual structures of the cadaver. First, select the flashcard icon at the bottom, which will open up quiz mode. Two options will appear. If you would like to start a quiz, select the first icon available here. Note that you may take a quiz with all current structures present in your view, in this case, the upper limb bones. This allows you to quickly take a quiz from an existing view or preset. A few options are available from this menu. You may enter a custom quiz name at the top. You may also enter a student name at the bottom, or by tapping the plus icon, import a student list from an external file location. This list can be student names or ID numbers, and the file formats that are supported here are TXT files and CSV files. Adding student names are entirely optional and are not required to take a quiz. Choosing the type of quiz you'd like to take by selecting the icons here in the middle. From left to right, you can choose from Pick Me, flashcards, or by selecting the three-dot icon. This allows you to choose from additional types, including highlight, multiple choice, and game. Edit the quiz settings by selecting the settings icon in the top right. This menu includes the options to toggle enablement features on and off at the top. These features include image control, structure slider bars, and the cutting tool. General options include the ability to repeat skip questions or to randomize questions. Timing allows you to change the timing per question or per quiz. Lastly is scoring. Points can be allotted for correct answers, incorrect answers, and both positive and negative points can be set for skipped questions. Choose whether or not to display the score or display the timer for students. Be sure to select Apply once you are finished to go back to the quiz mode menu. If you have already created or saved a quiz in the past, you may select the import icon located at the top left of this menu. The options that appear are locations where this quiz may be found. If you saved a quiz in quiz history, select the top icon. If you have exported the quiz on a computer or a USB drive, select the middle icon. Lastly, the folder icon is where you may have added a quiz to an existing folder within the software. These options will be discussed again later in this video. Once you are ready to begin your quiz, select the play icon and begin answering questions. Many users choose to create their own custom quizzes. To do so, select the flashcard icon and choose the second or top icon available. Many of the options in this menu should look similar to the previous. The icon found at the top left is the import icon. If you would like to edit or customize any existing quizzes, you may do so by loading them in here. You can create a title for your custom quiz at the top. So in this case, we can name this quiz Upper Limb. Then select the type of quiz you would like this to be. The options are Pick Me, flashcards, highlight, multiple choice, and game. For this example, we will choose Pick Me. Editing the settings can be done by selecting the settings icon at the top right. This menu will have some additional settings you can choose from, including a pin protection option, which will lock the quiz. This is also where you will enter the student name or import a student list by selecting the plus icon here. Make sure to select Apply once you are finished editing the settings for your custom quiz. Once you are ready to move on, select the arrow found at the bottom of the menu. The menu that appears instructs you on how to create questions for your quiz. We will discuss these during the example provided. By selecting the arrow icon, you are brought to a blank menu. This menu will populate with questions as you add them. First, step 1 instructs us to set up a desired view. We can do so through the visibility menu, which is taught in another video. In this example, I will use the visibility menu to set up my view of the right upper limb bones. So I would select skeletal, find my category, upper limb bones, check my upper limb bones off, and then isolate my right side. Step 2 instructs you to add annotations to define questions. So by annotating individual structures I would like to quiz on, I will define these as questions. So I've chosen my right clavicle, my right scapula, my right humerus, my right radius, and my right ulna. Step 3 then instructs you to use the plus button found in the quiz mode menu here to add these desired questions to the quiz. The questions will then populate in the menu. If you would like to add additional questions or add more views, simply repeat steps 1 through 3. There are a few icons found at the bottom of this menu. You can quickly select all questions found in the menu by selecting the checkmark icon. To delete questions from your quiz, select the question number icon found to the left of each question. And to edit the order of these questions, select the list icon and drag questions to your desired location. Once you are finished creating custom quiz questions, select the icon found at the bottom right. 3 options will appear from this icon. Saving in quiz history is found at the top. This allows you to save the quiz within quiz mode. The next icon allows you to export on the computer or a USB drive. Finally, by selecting the folder, you can save your quiz within an existing folder in the software or create a new one. Whenever ready to load in the custom quiz you have created, select the first icon that appears when selecting the flashcard icon. Select the import icon at the top left of the menu and locate your quiz through the way in which it was saved.